Dave's Hot Chicken. What y'all know about this? Nothing. I don't know if Dave's Hot Chicken is only in Las Vegas. But let me show y'all. I'm taking my cousin here. It's hot. Who likes the pickle?
Food prices are just too high, and Kamala Harris has a plan to bring costs down.
As president, I will go after the bad.
Birds out there. Oh,
There's 2 big pieces. I think I can only eat one right now. I'll eat it later, or somebody else might try to eat it and stuff themselves like they do. Uh-oh. And I hear Bailey coming out of his secret spot. He must smell chicken. Bailey, you smell that chicken? He was asleep in the closet. And here he comes. Look, I'm serious. Hey, Bear. You smell that chicken? Uh-uh. Did you? Yeah? It is no joke. This is a foodie house. Now he's whining. He's not getting this chicken. But he can get a snack. What's the drill? Dave's Hot Chicken commercial. Whew. They get honey too. I don't need it. Q, did you just say, oh my God?
I said, oh my God, it's good. Gosh, it's good.
That music just came on out of nowhere. Okay, cuz, you wanna come here? Well, we'll get this when you come. I'm just gonna make you hum like that.
What about Daldrick?
Dodrick.
Right. I was.
It is a fine name. Nevertheless, it is
Hot.
perfectly mine.
Just sharing some good eats here in Las Vegas. Dave's Hot Chicken. I'm out.